Stretching for more than a kilometer along a high ridge above the Salzach River, Burghausen Castle dominates the landscape as Europe's longest castle complex, a monumental chain of courtyards, towers, and battlements that has guarded Bavaria for nearly 1,000 years. Its origins date to the early Middle Ages, when a small fortification protected trade routes running between Bavaria and Salzburg. By the 13th century, the powerful Wittelsbach dynasty transformed Burghausen into an enormous defensive system. Connected by fortified courtyards, each section added layers of protection, creating a castle so sprawling that it feels like an entire fortified town. During the late Middle Ages, Burghausen became a key stronghold of the Bavarian duchy. Its upper castle served as the residence of the ducal family, while the lower courtyards housed garrisons, craftsmen, stables, and armories. The castle's deep moats, thick stone walls, and commanding views of the river valley made it nearly impossible to capture. Burghausen even served as a safe haven for ducal treasures and archives during times of war, underscoring its strategic importance. As firearms advanced in the 16th and 17th centuries, the fortress was reinforced with modern bastions and artillery platforms. Despite military threats from Austria and the Ottoman Empire, Burghausen never fell to enemy forces. Its long corridors and interconnected defenses were designed to slow invaders and keep the castle under tight Wittelsbach control for centuries. In modern times, Burghausen has been carefully restored and opened to visitors. Its 6 courtyards remain intact, offering a journey through medieval halls, Gothic chapels, panoramic viewpoints, and preserved living quarters. Today, the castle stands as a breathtaking reminder of Bavaria's medieval power, an architectural giant overlooking the pastel-colored old town below.